Britain's Heathrow Airport, which is one of the world's busiest, has been shut down for all of Friday after a massive fire at a nearby electrical substation caused a widespread power outage. The London Fire Brigade said around 70 firefighters were battling the blaze at the North Hyde electricity substation in Hayes, West London. The cause of the fire is still unknown. Flames and thick smoke were seen rising high into the sky as around 150 people were evacuated from nearby buildings. Thousands of properties were left without power. In a statement on X, Heathrow Airport confirmed it will remain closed until 11:59 p.m. on March 21st, advising passengers not to travel to the airport. According to Flightradar 24, at least 120 inbound flights have been diverted, and over 1,350 flights in total are expected to be impacted, not including further delays or cancellations due to aircraft being out of possession. British Airways alone had over 340 flights scheduled for Friday. The impact has already been felt across global aviation networks. Flights from Qantas, United Airlines, and others have been diverted mid-air or rerouted to alternative destinations such as Shenzhen, Paris, and Washington, D.C. Travel analysts warned the ripple effects could last for days. Crews and aircraft will now need to be repositioned, causing scheduling disruptions across multiple airlines and airports. This is going to disrupt airline operations around the world, said Ian Pechnick of Flightradar 24. A Heathrow spokesperson said there is no timeline yet for full power restoration. Meanwhile, firefighters on the ground said a 200-meter cordon has been set up as they continue their work to control the blaze. 29 people were led to safety from neighboring properties. With Heathrow closed and uncertainty over when the power will return, passengers and airlines now face several days of disruption across the global travel network.